All right, guys. So this is one of my favorites. My favorites, not her favorite. You can see my client working toward a lunge progression. So lunge exercise is one of my favorite when somebody needs to get down on the ground, get into a low cabinet. Having the ability to lunge with a total knee replacement can be challenging for most people. So what we've done in this situation is we put a typical stool. This is a stool that we have in the clinic. But it gives her almost like a version of a rolling walker. It gives her a little stability, gives her some support, something to hold on to and push down on that would allow her to do this walking lunge repeated through the length of the clinic. My clinic is 25 feet from wall to wall. So when we're documenting this, we can document patient was able to perform walking lunges times 25 feet for 2 laps or whatever she is capable of doing. But this has been one of our favorite exercises with this particular patient because she is athletic, she is active, she's young, she's doing a lot of stuff around the house and outdoors, and she needs the ability to get down on one knee and, of course, get back up.